Haha! Did you think I was coming for you?
No, I got you. No.
Will it smoke?
Place your bets.
3, 2, 1. Stop.
Ta-da! I was only joking. Oh, such a kidder.
We've got a pre-wet radio because it's raining outside. Welcome to glorious England, where the sun is always out and we've always got blue skies. Welcome. I don't expect this to be a spectacular flight. I'm just doing some flying and that in it, lad. You can see some on the sticks. See what it looks like. Look at that bowl, pal. Look at that bowl. Oh, right, I've done it again. Not turn radio on.
Welcome to OpenTX. Switch warning.
Haha, lad. FPV camera. It's wet. It's so wet. Wet in here. Right then, pal, go ready. Go send drone up. Go for a quick fly around these. I'm gonna go and explore. Yeah, maybe it'll be more of like an explore rather than like tricks. You know what I mean? Oh, what is that, pal? What is that? No, actually, I don't know what that is. Doesn't look good though. Does not look good. It's a bit shredded over there. Pow, 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 pow. I shouldn't stand near this thing. It's not a good idea standing near that. GoPro, recording. Recording, lad. Oh, little lad's recording that, aren't you? Yes. Right, time to explore. Oh, I've got a loose antenna. A loose antenna never helps. Was it? Like, never. Oh, I don't know if this battery's charged. I think it is. I hope it is. Yeah, it is. 15.3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness gracious, nearly into the floor. Let's go for a quick claw. I actually don't know what I'm saying. Explore on these fields. And the benefit to having crossfire is you can just fly wherever you want. The only thing you've got to worry about is losing your video or getting stuck in some trees where you've got no idea where you are because you're somewhere over in the field somewhere. Oh yes, just skipping through there. Does anybody have an idea where I am? Because I don't. We're just like, totally just like got the freedom. Just go, oh, I know where we are. Here's the front. Let's do a quick little explore. Why do I keep saying a little explore? It's the wrong word. So here's the fence. I'm gonna go over the fence and we're gonna follow the road down to quad. Whoa, what was that? I'm sure I've just spotted a wild animal down here. Is it a river rabbit? Little river rabbit round there somewhere. I can't see him. So, go for another quick. What is that? Another pond? Can we see any wildlife in here? Oh my god, that's death though, isn't it? Like flying underneath there is literally death. Like, death pond. I don't even know if I should try that, no, because you know there'll be a branch somewhere where I just can't see. Controller's vibrating at me, that must mean we've used 1000 milliamps. What have we got over here, eh? What is that? What is that? This? Okay, right. Don't really know. Keep saying I don't know a lot, maybe too much. I don't think this is that good of a battery, you know. No, it's not. It's not one of me good ones, pal. Not one of me good ones. And if you know what the vibrating is, just means that I've used 1000 milliamps. That's all that means, just because I don't have a proper OSD on this. So what I do is, North told me a little thing so that, what was it? No, yeah, North told me how to set telemetry up. So what we did was, when we reached 1000 milliamps, where I love that, you know, that hang you get there. Right, this battery doesn't like me no more. 7 volts, 9 volts. Oh lad, we've lost video. No, we're coming back up, 10 volts. North showed me on the radio how to set up telemetry warnings, because even though I've been flying for like 3 years, I still don't know how to set telemetry warnings up. So then, if it doesn't spit too much, we're gonna get the proper LiPo out. LiPos! Look, this is what happens. This is what happens, lad. If you don't start performing, I'm gonna give you a bit of this, a bit of that, a bit of this, and a bit of that. And I'll get Richard out. And not only will it destroy that LiPo you've got on there, lad, he'll snap your axe. Axe snapper. Right. Let's go and get a LiPo, and then we'll just do some actual freestyle. Yeah, but it'll be alright, won't it? Because I put it on the supercharger, which is the Cell Pro PowerLab 8. It's not even that warm. You fixed your quad?
Yeah.
You're gonna go home and get your tea made for you now?
Yeah.
Or what's left over? Okay. Where's your tea? Do I get it because you're using tea? Banana jacks, yes. Check-in pack, LiPo, charging. Charging. Right. I don't know if any of these are charged. Where's that fancy LiPo checker? Check. Oh. Look at this. Look at all them quads you've got in that bag. 4.18, that'll do.
Blur that.
But do you mean blur that?
Blur me as well.
Blur. No, you're too beautiful to put you in a blur. You're too beautiful, Richard. Have you been on sunbeds?
Burnt some props.
Oh, you actually burnt some props?
Burnt some motors.
Burnt motors, burnt props, burnt everything.
Have I been on the sunbed, did you say?
Yeah, you've been on sunbeds. Oh, your skin looks very healthy.
I changed moistures.
It's on here. It's on here. Actually, go for an actual freestyle run now. Are you driving away now?
What?
Are you driving away?
Yeah.
The gate's locked. I've just been there. And I spotted. I was flying. Well, I'm not really talking to the lad because you can't do anything. I mean, that's just your fuel. But if your fuel don't perform, we're gonna make that of him. Right?
Telemetry recovered.
Here we go then, pal. Out to the flying field. Yep. Oh, checkity check, wreck. That's recording. Is that recording? I don't know why I keep saying it, is that recording? Because I never trust it, you know what I mean? You go fly and you come back and then you're like, didn't press record. Didn't press record. There's a jump there. There's a jump, right. I've spotted something. So, I've scoped something out. So, I'm going to go for a quick, I'm not going to say explore anymore because you keep saying that too much. But yeah, we are going for an explore down here. Oh, infinity yaw spin. No, down here, look. Come on with me, my friends. We fly with the birds, my friends. Come with me, little birds. Fly with me, my friends. What are you doing down there, birdie? Let's fly away with the flock now. Let's find freedom. Do you know where freedom is? Show me. True story, right? I don't know where we are. Right? Oh my goodness gracious. The benefits of having crossfire. Where is home, darling? Is it that way, darling? I think I can see Jeffrey's house from up here. Oh my god, them seagulls sound like they're getting angry. Right, I think I've spotted where we are. And I think we're in that direction. The thing is, oh, come on birds. Fly me home, birds. You know where home is. No, what the thing is, when you're flying in fields like this, because there's no like proper landmarks, it all kind of just looks the same, doesn't it? You know what I mean? Like, none of it really looks any different. Oh yeah, lad. Oh yeah, taking on the industrial estate. Like a boss. I shouldn't say like a boss, it sounds like you're, what you call it, doesn't it? Into yourself. Oh, there's a digger there. Can he get through this digger? Let's see. Oh yeah, lad, you made it through, right. Down here, what's down this one? Dead end. Oh, there was a little gap there. Let's see, through this end, yes. Oh, good thing in it, after hours at quadcopters. Welcome! Where we like ripping quads in half. I don't know about ripping quads in half, but I mean, the good thing is you know that no one's here. Oh, traffic lines. Follow the grey brick road. Should the elephant there? Should we get a quick Indian, lad? Quick Indian? I mean, like, if this does not make you want crossfire, I don't know what does. I lost video though, that's why you do a quick ping out and you come back and you just follow the houses. Here's Richard, look, there's Richard. Ricky. Come on. Oh, you miss her. Come on. What are you throwing at me, by the way? Whoa, this is dangerous. This is a quadcopter. I've got too much camera tilt to like see what's going on proper. Lad, I'm behind the net. Haha! Did you think I was coming for you?
No, I got you. No.
Did you think I was gonna get you?
Oh, you weren't recording?
No, yeah, I was.
What were you doing?
I was. You just winding me up. Of course I was recording.
Alright.
What?
Well, then.
I was. I did record that flight. Oh!
136.
You got me then. Did you see me pretend? Did you see me pretend like I wasn't bothered?
Difficult HPR.
Oh lad, look. There's thousands of mythical creatures in this bag. If you open this bag, you literally unleash the world to 1,000. Don't open the bag.
We're not ready.
That could be dangerous. That.
The world's not ready for it.
The world is not ready. Look at that. Jeff came up with a really good idea last time. I sit in the car to the gates. Oh! The DVR recording. I do that all the time, you know.
Shouldn't it have saved it?
No, it doesn't, because I've got the old goggles, because I've got the Dominators.
Ooh.
No, the amount of times, like, oh, let's see DVR footage, and I do that. Neil.
Wow.
It smells good in here. I've never been in your car.
It's sprayed nothing in it, mate.
Wait, it smells like coconutty or something. It does. It smells like coconut fresh. Yeah, but like good nuts, not bad nuts.
These nuts.
that because I've not got my belt on?
That bad.
I feel like you're a taxi driver. You know, because you're really sat down in your seat and I'm up high.
Too lad.
You feel too comfortable.
Too lad, yeah. Going anywhere nice?
I want to go home. Take me home.
Nobody knows where
I don't know what home is anymore. Right. To the range. Oh, 360. Oh, opposite 360. Oh, 180 30. Oh. 360 look.